I didn't see you there. Me and my coworker here were just studying DOS and all the fancy features and commands that come with it. Would you like to join us?
So what exactly is DOS? DOS stands for Disk Operating System, and is a command line based operating system. The user types in various commands to make the computer perform certain actions. These commands are very specific and need to be typed correctly to be able to work. DOS was created in 1966 and has had an important impact upon the computer world, forming operating systems such as Microsoft Windows from DOS.
Why use DOS if it's such an old system? Well, it can help you troubleshoot certain problems, it can help you manage a connection to other computers, it can help you check your network, and it can also help you get rid of files that Windows can't get rid of itself.
Hey, when DOS was originally created, it was installed separately before the main operating system was installed. However, in the 1990s, DOS was beginning to change, and instead of being installed beforehand, DOS is beginning to be installed with the operating system. Now, many features of the older versions of DOS are known today as command prompts.
You need help? Type help into the command line to see what commands are possible in the current line and what they do. What's the difference between // and /? Well, / is for switches and servers, and / is for drivers and folders along with other commands. First, we have the cd command. Know this command isn't about your favorite form of storing media. The cd command allows you to change the directory that you're currently in DOS, hence the command's name. C for change and D for directory. You can change your directory to a specific directory by typing in cd, space, then the directory name. You can also go to the root directory immediately by typing in cd / or cd /. This is another application of the cd command, sending you to a specific file path that is mentioned afterwards. You can also type in cd ... On to the next command, md. The md command is the command that allows you to make a directory, hence the name, or a subdirectory. By typing md plus the directory name in command prompt, it will create a directory in that place you are in on the command prompt. Now that you've created directory 1, type in the command cd1 to navigate to it. The rd command is how you would remove a directory or a subdirectory in command prompt. You can delete a directory by typing in rd, then the directory name, while you're in a parent directory. This is the folder above the directory that you want to remove. The cls command in command prompt allows you to clear the screen of all your previous commands by typing in cls. The commands on the screen are removed, but you can still see your previously typed commands by using the up arrow on your keyboard. However, you cannot see any of the cleared results. The copy command is used to make copies of a file in a different location. To use this command, type copy c : directory /file.extension space c : /destination space directory. If the file is located on a different drive like F, G, or H, you can substitute the C for any letter needed. You can also navigate to the drive by using the cd commands and not have to write the first file path, only the file name. Next command is the delete command. This command is used to delete files. To use this command, first change the directory of the file using the cd commands mentioned earlier, then type del space name.extension, and now you have successfully deleted the file. What are wildcards? Wildcards are characters that are used to substitute for other characters. Examples of wildcards are the asterisk and the question mark. The asterisk can substitute for multiple characters. The question mark can substitute for a single character.
Thank you for watching this video from CIT Tech Tips. We hope you gained very valuable knowledge about DOS, its commands, and how to use it in command prompt.